Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today is Thursday, February 20th. It's 2/20/2020. Ooh. Oh, that's my heat. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. So today I was just gonna chill and just not put on makeup and not really do much, but I had to go do the walkthrough with the house, and I thought it was only going to take a few minutes, and it ended up taking an hour and a half. But yeah, I'm so excited. We locked down a date to where I can start moving in my stuff slowly, because I talked to you guys about this before, but just in case you're new or you never watched my videos before, or maybe you missed that video, I talked about how I hired movers. Excuse me. I hired movers, and they're $135 an hour. And when we went through everything, what do you have? I have this, blah, 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 blah. He was like, okay, well, we estimate between 7 to 9, or no, I think he said 6 to 9 hours, or 6 to 7. I can't remember what he said, but I calculated it, and it would have been $800 to $1,000. I was like, no. I'm not paying that. I have budgeted out 2 to 3 hours for them, and we're not doing this. So he was like, well, then what I suggest you do is if you can move small things, or just organize it somehow to where you have what they are going to take and then what you're going to take. And so, I mean, I totally could do something like that, but what my goal is to have everything that I can get myself, I want over in that house come February 26th, because February 27th is moving day. February 27th is the night that I'm going to spend over there. This house is going to be completely empty, because I still have to come back here and clean, because I talked to the property manager of this property, and she said that, because I was like, I'm not going to waste my time cleaning if I don't have to clean. And if you guys know, I've already cleaned, all of that in there. I've cleaned the whole kitchen, wiped down doors, wiped down the inside of the cabinets, all that stuff. The other day I cleaned the laundry room because the washer was taken out, and the dryer hopefully will be taken tomorrow. I haven't heard from the guy. But, what was I going to say? Yeah, she told me it was going to be $300. And if she got the, oh my gosh, I can't talk. Basically, if they were to pay for the cleaning crew or cleaning person to come over here, the charge was going to be $300, and that was going to be taken from my security deposit. And I was like, the hell it is. So we're going to have to come back here and clean. So I wanted to have plenty of time for me to set up my new house and then come back here. So I'll probably come back here March 1st and do a complete clean through here, because that current home is going to be cleaned. Obviously, I'm gonna myself go through and clean the shower, the bathtubs, and stuff like that. But everything else, they're supposed to be cleaning, the inside of the cabinets and all that stuff. If I see that they haven't, then obviously I'll wipe it down real quick. That's no big issue. But yeah, I was like, I'm not paying. You're not taking $300 out of my security deposit. Absolutely not. So yeah, I'm just at the point I'm getting really antsy. So he and I talked about how my brother is going to go get the couch that goes with this set, because he has it and he got another living room set. So it's literally just in his apartment, just kind of collecting dust. So he offered it to me, and I was like, yeah, sure, and then he's like, make arrangements. So my brother has a truck. So my brother and his son, and then Contrell, they're all going up there to his house, to his apartment, on Saturday to go get the couch. And then my property manager told me that, yes, we can leave the couch there. My brother also has to go get the dining room table that I purchased from Walmart because it wouldn't fit in my car. So he's got to do that as well. But the house that I'm going to be moving to, they still have not cleaned. Like, it's still so messy and like, ugh. I mean, it's not messy. There's just stuff everywhere, but I did ask him, I was like, hey, can I have all these cleaning products? Because y'all, they had a ton of cleaning products that they left. I was just like, can I have the cleaning products? Because that's a lot of money right there that I can save. And so he was like, yeah, I'll just tell the cleaners to leave it here. And I said, what about all these mops? Can you please leave these mops too? And he was like, yeah. And then they had like laundry detergent. There was like this 3 thing of like, I think it was Febreze or something that was like, wasn't even opened. I was like, yeah, please tell them to leave all this stuff and not take it. Another huge blessing, you guys, huge blessing. And I forgot to tell you guys, I found this out last Saturday when I went in the house to go measure. But obviously we don't have a yard currently, so there wasn't any need to get a lawnmower or anything like that. So with that being said, I was like, great, I'm gonna have to purchase a lawnmower and whatever else I'm gonna need to like do the lawn and this and that. Guess what? The landlords, my landlords are freaking awesome. They left all of this lawn stuff, like little trimmers, lawnmower, the little things to go, the little gas holders to go get gas for the lawnmower. I was just like, wow, like truly, truly, truly blessed. I'm just like, this is amazing. So yeah, they left all that stuff. That is a huge blessing. So I don't have to go purchase a lawnmower or anything like that. But where was I going with this? It's still messy. We're trying to figure out a day. I'm getting really antsy. I want to go ahead and move. When the movers come, my goal is to have pretty much everything that they're going to take is the only thing that's going to be left in this place. So yeah, I mean, I can't like take possession of the home until February 27th, but basically we're working out to where my property manager is amazing. He's like so kind. He's so sweet. But he is working it out to where hopefully it'll be clean by Saturday. If not, he said you can still bring the couch. That's fine, because I was like, I'm going to put it right there. It'll just be out of the way. Like, nothing needs to be cleaned over there. And obviously, I'm going to go over there, too. Like, I'm going to, like, go ahead and, like, vacuum. And if it needs to be, like, the baseboard needs to be dusted. But it was pretty clean. But other than that, like, y'all, I'm just getting so antsy. It's 7 days, and then the fact that I know that I can start moving stuff, it's just, like, a matter of, like, a waiting game at this point. It's just kind of like, I'm ready to go. Another thing, you guys, I've been saying, like, I'm gonna show y'all the kind of mover I am. My house is gonna be set up, this and that. Well, guess what? I looked at my little period calendar. Guess when I'm supposed to start? I'm supposed to start on the 27th, which is the day that I move. And if you guys don't know anything about me, I have debilitating periods. Like, so much so that I am out of commission for 7 days, most months. Some months I'm good, but most months there's at least a day or two where I'm just so lethargic, so tired. Last month I was sick, like I had the flu or I had something on top of me having my period. It was awful, 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 awful. So yeah, I'm just praying. I'm like begging God. I'm like, please, God, please let my period be like, wait, 27, 28, 29, 1, 2, 3. Well, please, please let it be 5 days late, please. Because it's been 5 days late like before. So I'm like, please let it be 5 days late. Because I really want to go ahead and get all of this moving done. I want to get my house set up. I don't want to be in pain. I don't want to be tired. I don't want to be having to deal with all the crap that has come with. Ugh. So, which if you guys watched my vlog that I posted, I can't remember how many days ago it was. Well, I haven't posted it yet, but I filmed it on Monday because I went to my gynecologist on Monday and I was like, okay, we are doing something about this and I might have to go get surgery. So if my pap smear comes back abnormal, oh yes, we talk about all kinds of stuff here on this channel, y'all, just so you know. But if it comes back abnormal, we're going to have to go have surgery. And he told me that we're going to skip the biopsy, go straight to scheduling surgery. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this is going to be my last damn period, because we have options, but because the cells are abnormal, he doesn't want to do, because you know there's like an ablation thing you can do where it like burns your cervix and you don't have a period like ever, so that prevents you from having to get a hysterectomy. But that is something I don't think they put you under. They can, but they definitely like give you some kind of cocktail to like super duper relax you. But I was like, I don't know if I want to go that route, because I've had an IUD before and the IUD was wonderful for me. Like I didn't have my period, I didn't have pain, like it was amazing. And so that's probably going to be the route that I go, but he needs to scrape the cells, test the cells, and then he will not put an IUD in me until he knows that those cells on my cervix are not cancerous or not anything like super dangerous, you know. So, and then the ablation as well, like that, he will not do that until he knows for sure there's no cancer, there's no anything going on with my cervix and all that stuff. So fingers crossed, y'all, that this is going to be my last period. Yeah, I'm just like, oh, this sucks. But like I said, fingers crossed that it starts 5 days late, and then we can get this move over, and then I can chill and relax and have my period all at once. But yeah, I'm getting super antsy, and like I said, my goal is to have all of this stuff that's not furniture over at the new house. And so when the movers come on the 27th, the only thing that they will be moving is the furniture, and hopefully it'll only take them 2 hours, which I've already paid for. I've already like paid them for 2 hours because you have to prepay. And so fingers crossed. I'm gonna go work on a crock pot video right now. And I also have to fold this laundry. Y'all, I did 1, 2, 3, 4 loads of laundry yesterday. 4. Look. And then there's even some on the floor. There's like another hamper over there. Like you can't see the other hamper. Like what? Y'all, look at all my furniture. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I get to have a kitchen table again. What? And I've never actually had a dining room table, so that's super exciting. I was just in the house today and I was just like, I cannot believe in 7 days this is going to be mine. Like I'm going to be living here. It's just amazing. I'm so excited. Oh, I gotta call the trash company. I gotta call the trash company. I also need to call Contrell's school and make sure that all of that's situated with his bus. And then I think everything is done. Oh, I'll have to do the, what's it called? The change of address. But I want to make sure that I have everything that I was supposed to get here delivered, and before I do the change of address. So I mean, it's no big deal. I'm giving the lady, like I'm giving the property manager at this place my keys back on March 2nd. So I have until March 2nd to really do that. It's no big deal. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna go get to work. I really wanted today to just be a chill day because I didn't even like plan to put on makeup or get ready or anything, but I knew I had to go do the walkthrough. I didn't sign any papers or anything because, like I said, the house was not clean, and painting, like touch-up painting needed to be done and all that stuff. So I was like, he mentioned, he's like, I'm not going to have you sign any of these papers. But yeah, I also told him, I was like, I don't want anyone to have access to this house. So too many people have access to that code right now. And when I start moving my stuff in, like I'm fine with moving a couch in there, because who the hell in their right mind is going to take a couch? And if someone does, then it wasn't meant to be. But I seriously doubt a cleaning crew or whatever is going to take a couch. Or I think the friend of the old tenant, or friends of the old tenant, has the the code to get in the house to access the key and everything. And so I was like, I don't want to start moving in my small things until I know everyone's done in here and you can like take the lockbox off and give me the key or something. Like, I don't want anyone else to have access to it except for the property manager, which he'll always have access to it, I'm sure. And then me, not, you know what I mean. Like, they don't just come into your house. But I think they always have a key. I don't know. Anyways, I'm tired. It's a rainy, dreary, gross day. Yet again, here in Georgia, we've been experiencing so much rain and I'm so over it and everyone else is so over it. I think Alabama too. I don't know about Florida. I know Mississippi, they're flooded. Mississippi, like parts of Mississippi is flooded. We've been getting so much rain and I'm just so over it. Thank God tomorrow is supposed to be like partly cloudy. And then I was worried about my move. I was like, oh crap. And it was showing that it was supposed to rain. It was like a small chance, but it was still supposed to rain. But as of today, it is supposed to be 49 degrees and partly cloudy. So fingers crossed it stays that way because I do not want to be moving in the rain, which, yeah, no. So yeah, I'm super excited, but like I said, I'm gonna go get started on this crock pot video and this laundry, and then I've got to do a bunch of editing because I want to focus on lots of packing next week and lots of moving small things over to the new house. So I'm trying not to do any editing or uploading or anything next week. So I still have to take my current router over to my current internet provider, which sucks. I'm gonna have to get new internet providers. I do not want, but I have no choice. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on. This is probably just gonna be a chatty catch up. This is how my day went. This is what it was type video versus like follow me around because there's nothing to follow. This is gonna be me all day. Well, with the exception of me. Well, yeah, me folding the laundry here. Me doing my editing here. So yeah, I will see you guys later.